Welcome to Nourish Your DNA, the channel dedicated to exploring the fascinating world within us. Today, we're embarking on a captivating journey to the heart of our health and well-being. We're venturing into the realm of our DNA, the blueprint of life. This remarkable molecule, DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid, carries the genetic instructions for everything we are. Think of it as a complex recipe, dictating the building blocks of our bodies, the functioning of our organs, and even our susceptibility to certain conditions. It's a fascinating story, but it's not a solo act. Our DNA needs a support system to thrive. So who are the key players in this support system? First, we have nucleotides. These incredible molecules serve as the building blocks of DNA. Picture them as the bricks that construct the blueprint of life. Next, we meet the dynamic duo of oligopeptides and amino acids. Oligopeptides are short chains of amino acids, and amino acids themselves are the fundamental units of protein. They're like the skilled workers who translate the DNA instructions into action, building and repairing tissues throughout our bodies. The health and stability of our DNA are intimately linked to our overall well-being. That's where a phenomenal product called imuregen comes into play. This powerful formula, developed over 5 decades, provides the essential molecules we've been talking about: nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. By nourishing these crucial elements, imuregen empowers your DNA to function at its optimal level. Imuregen is not just comprehensive, it's also incredibly safe and highly effective. Its unique formulation ensures optimal bioavailability, meaning your body can easily absorb these essential molecules. With imuregen, you're giving your DNA the support it deserves, laying the foundation for a healthier, more vibrant you. DNA forms the foundation of our health and well-being, but it doesn't work alone. Let's delve deeper into its support system. For more information on imuregen, check the description below. Stay tuned as we continue to nourish our DNA and unlock the power within. First up in our DNA support system, we have nucleotides. These are extraordinary molecules that form the very foundation of DNA itself. Picture them as bricks, each one unique yet integral, coming together to construct the intricate blueprint of life. Now, what exactly are nucleotides? Nucleotides are organic molecules consisting of a sugar molecule, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. It's these bases that form the rungs of the DNA ladder and hold the key to our genetic code. Combinations of these bases create a code, spelling out the instructions for everything we are. Just like bricks, each nucleotide plays a significant role in the construction of the DNA structure. They come together in pairs, forming the double helix structure we all recognize as the symbol of life. This structure is not only beautiful but also incredibly functional. It allows our DNA to replicate, ensuring the continuity of life from one generation to the next. The role of nucleotides doesn't stop at the creation of DNA. They're also responsible for a variety of other functions within our bodies. For instance, they participate in cellular signaling and metabolism, contributing to our overall well-being. But as essential as they are, nucleotides aren't the only key players in our DNA story. There's a whole cast of molecular characters that contribute to the health and stability of our DNA. The dynamic duo of oligopeptides and amino acids, for example, act as skilled workers, interpreting the DNA instructions and turning them into action. Just like a construction site relies on both bricks and builders, our bodies rely on both nucleotides and these other essential molecules. Each one is crucial, contributing to the amazing complexity and functionality of life as we know it. Nucleotides are the bricks that construct the DNA blueprint, but they're not the only crucial components. In the following scenes, we'll dive deeper into the roles of other vital elements in our DNA story, exploring how they contribute to our overall health and well-being. Stay tuned. Next, we have the dynamic duo of oligopeptides and amino acids. Now, if you're wondering what these terms mean, don't worry, we're about to dive into their fascinating world. You see, oligopeptides are short chains of amino acids. Picture them as the links of a chain, each link representing an amino acid. Now let's talk about amino acids. They're the fundamental units of protein. You can imagine them as the craftsmen of our bodies. They're the ones who take the blueprint that DNA provides and turn it into a reality. They build, they repair, and they maintain virtually all our tissues. From our muscles to our skin, from our bones to our brain, amino acids are the unsung heroes that keep us going. So, how does this process work? Well, amino acids read the DNA blueprint and then assemble themselves into specific proteins. These proteins then perform various functions, like building new tissues or repairing damaged ones. They're the workers on the construction site of our bodies, diligently following the DNA blueprint to construct and maintain our physical selves. But amino acids don't work alone. They team up with oligopeptides, their trusty sidekicks. Oligopeptides help transport amino acids to where they're needed. They're like the delivery trucks of our bodies, ensuring that the amino acids reach their destination and can do their important work. Together, oligopeptides and amino acids make a formidable team. They work tirelessly to translate the DNA blueprint into action, building and repairing the tissues throughout our bodies. They're the dynamic duo that keeps us healthy, vibrant, and full of life. But here's a crucial question. How can we support these vital components of our health? What can we do to ensure that our dynamic duo of oligopeptides and amino acids have all they need to function at their best? That's a question we'll dive into in our next scene. So stay tuned, because we're about to explore some exciting ways to empower our DNA and enhance our overall well-being. That's where imuregen comes in. This revolutionary product has been designed with a single, critical purpose in mind: to provide your DNA with the essential molecules it needs to operate at its peak. Let's delve a little deeper into how it does this. Imuregen is like a well-crafted toolbox for your DNA. It's packed with nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, the very elements that we earlier identified as the building blocks and translators of your DNA. Essentially, imuregen is like a reliable construction crew, always on hand to ensure your DNA is working at its best. Think of nucleotides as the bricks and mortar of your DNA. These are the molecules that form the DNA's structure. Imuregen ensures your body has a steady supply of these nucleotides, keeping your DNA strong and stable. Then we have oligopeptides and amino acids, the dynamic duo that translates the DNA's instructions into action. They're the skilled workers of your body's construction site, repairing and creating tissues as needed. Imuregen delivers these vital elements, ensuring your body's workers never run out of supplies. But imuregen doesn't just provide these essential molecules. It's been developed over 50 years to ensure maximum safety, effectiveness, and bioavailability. What does this mean for you? Well, not only is imuregen safe to use, but its unique formulation also ensures your body can easily absorb and utilize these vital molecules. It's like having a well-oiled machine, ready to work at peak performance at all times. So by nourishing your DNA with imuregen, you're laying the foundation for a healthier, more vibrant you. You're empowering your DNA to function at its optimal level, and in doing so, you're taking control of your well-being. Remember, your health and vitality start from within, right at the molecular level, with your DNA. So why not give it the support it deserves? With imuregen, you can empower your DNA to function at its optimal level. Taking charge of your overall well-being starts from within. That's a statement that resonates with the truth of our existence. We've journeyed through the fascinating realms of our DNA, learned about the incredible building blocks of life, nucleotides, and the dynamic duo of oligopeptides and amino acids. These are not just mere components of our bodies, they are the essence of our being, the master craftsmen shaping our health and vitality. Our DNA is the blueprint of life, a vast and intricate roadmap that orchestrates every aspect of our existence. Nucleotides, the amazing molecules, serve as the bricks that construct this blueprint. They are the fundamental units that enable our DNA to function and thrive. Then we have oligopeptides and amino acids. These power players are the skilled workers who translate the DNA's instructions into action. They build and repair tissues, ensuring that our bodies function at their best. Now here's where it gets exciting. Imagine having a powerful tool that supports these essential elements, bolstering the health and stability of our DNA. This is where imuregen comes into play. Imuregen is a phenomenal product developed over 5 decades. It's a potent formula that provides nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, the very elements that are crucial to our DNA's health. By fortifying these components, imuregen empowers your DNA to function at its optimal level. It's not just comprehensive but also incredibly safe, effective, and designed for optimal bioavailability. This means your body can easily absorb these essential molecules. With imuregen, you're nourishing your DNA, and in doing so, you're laying the foundation for a healthier, more vibrant you. It's about taking control of your well-being, empowering your body from the inside out. So let's make a choice today, a choice to embrace the incredible world within us, to support and nourish our DNA. After all, the power to transform our health lies within us. With imuregen, you're nourishing your DNA, laying the foundation for a healthier, more vibrant you. Remember, the power is within you.